wants to pump.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy Deadlycrypto in the house with our friend, our guest today, Ricky Spanish. We're gonna be here doing some live trading. Ricky, what's going on, brother? Welcome to the show.
Hey, appreciate the invite, man. I've been waiting a long time to do this with you. It's gonna be super
Hell
fun.
yeah! How long is a long time, bro? How long have you been a trader for?
I've been a I haven't been consistent, but I've been a trader for about 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Nice. And what made you? What was the big breaking moment for you that made you finally go full time being a trader and help you get on the show here today?
When Bybit was a thing, I tripled my account in 9 months from $300. So I was like, I could make some serious money on this if I had. So I just went all in on it.
Hell yeah, and you're here to trade with me today, right? Normally, what we do here is we give a BTC update, but this week, guys, we're going to be doing a live trading session. So that's what we're going to be taking care of. If anyone has any assets they want us to trade, take a look at, review, maybe we can get something done with it. And today, drop it in the comment section. We're going to be doing first free round where we kind of look to trade anything we can, find something either long or short, maybe take it together, whatever the deal is. And then we're going to be doing a flash round where we trade against each other. And one of us has to go long, one of us has to go short. I'll get a coin for that. I forgot to grab my coin. And just something to entertain everybody. So you're going to pick the pair for that one. Let us know in the audience what pair we should do for the versus round.
Pick a good one, chat. Team
All
Ricky.
right. So we're just going to go ahead and get up our screens for now. Try and get both of our screens up while we have our faces as well. So maybe let's see. Yeah, we'll only be able to have one screen at a time there.
All right, well, we can look at yours. I'll show. I'll show. Or I'll
We'll
tell you.
just go back and forth about every 5 minutes for the screen. Let me set a timer here. And we'll go back and forth every 5 minutes. That way everyone can view what we're up to. Kind of talk about what we're doing as well.
Do some TA on
All right, nice.
XRP.
All right, your screen's up first. You can just go ahead and tell us kind of your thought process, why you're charting.
Well, charting to try to find my entry point, whether if it's a short or long. It looks like it broke out here, but it could have resistance, and we're going to find that resistance and see where we can go from there.
Nice. Yeah, I'm just looking. I'm starting with my list on BTC. Doesn't really seem like there's anything immediately available on BTC, but I'm going to keep my eye open. Maybe there's going to be a little bit of support touch on the smaller time frames EMA, which the smaller time frames is what I'm having to look at since we're trying to make a trade live today.
Yeah. So let's see what we got for some zones.
Don't forget, fam, we also have live trading sessions every Friday in the Crypto University Discord. If you're not there, you're definitely missing out. We're able to talk amongst each other, share ideas, and look to execute opportunities live. So hope to see you guys out there tomorrow. That way you can participate with us.
Oh, those are super fun. I love those.
Yeah, man. Making bread with the boys, chilling, listening to music with the fam.
Yeah.
Not just the boys, with the fam.
Not a care in the world, just trying to make opportunities to be rich.
Trying to make some bread. All right, we'll go every 2 minutes on the screen to switch. That sounds a little better. Keep it flowy.
Get the one down. Keep it flowy.
It's hard to put music on in the stream because everything's copyrighted. So you just kind of have to sit with us in the silent.
That's all right. We'll get this through.
It'll get clipped. All right, there we go. Put out my screen now. Cool. So I like to use a 3-screen divided window for my trading entries and executions. And then over here, I got another screen, another monitor with the larger time frames that I'm analyzing. So I'll start with the daily, check to see. You guys know me. You guys know how I do by now. If you're familiar with the stream, start with the daily, look for our supports and resistances, and then drop down into smaller time frames. So like right here, We're having now the 1 hour, and check to see, just repeat the process. If there's any other structures that are tradable, we might be able to break it down onto a smaller time frame here and then find an entry or an exit. So generally what I do is just kind of go across the board and check for any opportunities. So what I'm seeing, maybe we got something here on BTC. If we can get a breakup on this scalp, I can take it to, oh, that's not very high for the swing high there.
No, that looks.
I would normally want at least like 0.3 to 0.5 to take the scalp. But it looks like a TCE could be reduced here to 1 minute time frame. If this crosses up, that might signal a good entry. But otherwise, I'm just going to keep looking for something. So I'm going to keep that on the back burner. I got about 30 seconds for my screen.
I know. I just moved on to uni.
Uni, nice. Actually, I'm going to go check. When my screen comes back around, I'm going to have them check the dumpers and pumpers for the past 24 hours. All right, so let's take a look at Solana.
Uni looks like it's on a downtrend. Hold on, let me do a little.
All right, let's take a look at your screen. Bring it over to Uni. Guys, don't forget, oops, wrong button.
Wrong button.
Wrong kid, Dad. Guys, don't forget to leave us some questions and comments in the chat if you want us to analyze a token for you. If you want us to try and trade a token for you in the versus round, let us know.
15.
Ooh. I should
Does
hit
look
that
like
BTC.
Where on the on that uni you made a trade on a pump, right?
What Uni?
When you traded uni before. It was like a week ago or
I don't recall. Can't say I recall, broda. I don't think it was Uni that I traded. I think I was looking at
Cake.
Uni, but I was Cake. Yeah, Cake's what it was.
Cake. Like
we looked at Uni, but I didn't find anything at the time.
Don't look like I'm getting anything out of that uni. It was a fake out.
Fake out.
Put this right here for our resistance. And we're gonna go down here and look at our support.
Nice.
So obviously if it goes above the line, we're gonna look for our long opportunity, but it looks like it's consolidating at the moment. Let's see if it breaks that lower trend line. And obviously we'll short it, but I'm hoping it pumps a little bit.
I'm telling you, we're gonna have to break into some small time frames to get something done here.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm on 15 minutes. I'm on 15 minutes.
Well, that's good for charting the bigger structure. All right, I'm gonna put these fellas on some game about looking for pumpers and dumpers, guys. So I'm just opening up a new tab here, going to CoinGecko, and you don't even need an account for this. You can create an account, but I've been using it for years without an account, just looking at simple metrics and data. Here we click on the 24-hour section. Actually, BTC looks like it has a nice wedge. Might be able to trade that pump or dump sooner or later. But breaking into the 24-hour differences, we're able to see something that is either pumping or dumping really hard. So we can probably check out Barachain and Sui, actually, maybe even Toncoin for some structures, because these look like they're in a valid uptrend. Probably ENA as well. Looks like there might be a wedge about to be broken. And Maker seems like it's forming a wedge. So we'll take a look. I'm going to take a look at those. What about Homeboy there? Maybe even Ave as well.
I literally never saw this or never knew about CoinGecko. So
it's the same as CoinMarketCap.
You literally learn something new every day. So
it's just another data aggregator like any of the other ones. They just kind of consolidate the information. TradingView does the same thing. They have a list like that. CoinMarketCap. I don't know. I don't like to use CoinMarketCap though, since they got bought out by Binance, because it could be a little bit more favored towards pairs that are listed on Binance. So I'm gonna start on see. Oh, let me see. I think that was my 2 minutes is up in about 20 seconds. So basically, what I was doing after that was I'm coming to see if I can trade Bera on HTX. Let me see if we can do that first. I
A 1 minute
can. So we'll
time
check and see
frame.
what that structure looks like. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna start at the Normally I would start at the daily. So I'm gonna run through a quick TA on the daily, which shouldn't take long, while Ricky is showing us his screen.
Yes. Boom. We're gonna extend that a little bit up to there.
Questions, comments, remember, let us know in the chat, guys. There might be something in it for you.
Let us know how you feel about our TA. If we're doing good, we're doing bad.
Let us know what asset you want me to trade. We're gonna have to try and make some money here.
Mm-hmm.
Show you how to make some money. All right, so I got my daily executed. That wasn't too hard. Not much history there.
Yeah, there's not much on that. What am I doing? All right, cool. Go over here, find our supports and resistance. Go over here.
What
Put
did
in.
you take on Doge?
Yeah, I'm looking at Doge right now in the minute.
Getting ready for the versus round. That's right, guys.
Yeah,
If nobody gives us a token to analyze or a pair to trade during the versus round, we're gonna be doing Doge.
I want to know if I'm gonna be losing or winning, if because you're
Hey
flipping a coin,
man,
bro.
we can both we can both take a winning trade, long and short. It's just a matter of timing. Matter of fact, let me come back and check on that BTC. It looks like BTC has broken over that trend line there. Bada boom, bada bing. So something like this is forgivable. Man, keeping it really tight on that swing low might get me stopped out in a hurry. So we'll try and hit the scalp like so. With an exit about halfway sounds legit. Right
You
over to
making a
that
trade right now?
V-Mini. Setting the one up.
All right.
Yeah. Quick scalp, try and take that up to this high, maybe even the next high above it, but there's not really much range here. Looks probably like it could break down on the larger time frame. So if that's the case, we'll just switch it up. All right, back to Bera. Bera's given a let me put my screen up now. So here was what we were looking at for BTC, and here's for Bera.
That.
We're looking at a little bit of divergence here on the 4H, but potential for a 3-bar play here on
Yeah,
the
you're looking
4H
for the
as well.
breakout. If that candle closes up higher, would you make your entry on the
On the
4H?
4H, on the
It needed
4H,
time.
we'd like to wait. Well, we're not going to have time for the 4H development on stream today, but I would like to wait for this candle to close in about 45 minutes, and then we could potentially be setting up for a 3-bar play, which would yield another burst move up, maybe towards that resistance. So it's not very far fetched, but it would take some time for that to develop, potentially about 5 to 9 hours, since we're on the 4-hour time frame, and we need at least one more candlestick. That's going to give us 4 hours plus the 45 minutes. It's about 4 hours, 45 minutes, and then potentially 1 hour, one candlestick more, because this could develop into a 4-bar play, but no further than that. So about 9 hours from now, we'll know if this would have popped up or not, and could result in a nice 7%. So although that may not be something we get to execute on the stream today, that's definitely something we should put on our table for today.
Well, Doge just hit my trend line on the 1 minute again.
BTC hit my first take profit. We're going to get ready to pull this sucker out any moment. All right, I was going to keep an eye on BTC for a second. Cool.
He's on BTC.
Yeah, I got like 30 seconds before my screen swaps. But essentially now this is going to become ASL. We're putting an adjusted stop loss here. So this happened really fast, but anytime you get into a profitable position, you want to make sure that you move your stop loss from a losing position to just above your entry. And then the further you get away from your entry, obviously the higher you can move this up to chase
Damn,
your
that was a
profit.
good breakout.
Yeah, a simple one. That was just a simple TCE,
You did a 3 candle play?
No, here I hit the TCE. We had our confirmed uptrend. We had a pullback. We had
Hmm.
reliable support along EMA. We had a trigger candle at the breakout there. Oh no, the vet's calling me. They're gonna have to wait. I'll call you back. Sorry guys, leave me a voicemail. All right, so price looks like it might be falling back to the first TP, but as long as it's supported by the 9 and 26 EMAs, we'll keep the position open. If not, we'll take a quick profit. Looks like, yeah, that MACD bar is already shrinking. I can see
Yeah,
that
I
now.
seen it. I seen it, dude. The momentum is gaining.
Oh, there it is. And we're good. See, so now we've secured a small profit, better than any type of loss, and we're able to keep looking for the next opportunity.
All right, back to Doge. Oh, it
Yeah,
did
let's
break
put up
through my.
Ripley screen now
See, it
while
broke through my
I get
trend line
some
right
more
here.
done on Barra.
See,
Ah, nice. Ah, nice. Perfect. Perfect.
we might have to hit a long. I want to wait until this candle
Oh, I was
closes.
about to say, be careful. It looks like there might be some
Yeah,
bearish
exactly.
divergence.
I was gonna wait until this candle closes. If it closes higher, we're gonna take the long. If it doesn't, we're not. We're gonna look for the best next opportunity.
Beep boop bop boop beep boop boop
Hit
bop
my
boop.
hit my resistance line there. Looks like they both touched right there. That's a good one.
Yeah, I think I have my bias in mind for Barra, but the opportunity isn't ripe yet. I want to
It
take
is
that short off the divergence. That's definitely what I'm going to try and hit. The short off the divergence
Here,
if the
Joseph.
3 bar play doesn't come out. The 3 bar play is going to be the first
Hi.
option. Then
Welcome
after
home.
that, be
I love
the
you. Sorry, chat. My son just got home from school, so I had to give him a little hug and kiss.
oh, what a little stinker. Going to school, getting his education.
Soon, when he gets of age, we're getting him a PC. He gonna be trading.
Nice.
So
Yeah, that's where the money is. Don't teach
calls.
him to be a wage cuck.
Yeah, that's terrible.
All right, stealing the screen share back from you. So it looks like there was a divergence here on the 4H that also translates to the 1H, giving us multiple divergences. Stretching out to here, then we can see this point is higher to low, while we have this point lower to high. So there's multiple divergences evident here. However, we can't act just yet because this is a technical strong uptrend. This is a very strong value
Yeah,
trend.
I
So
see
I'm
it.
waiting to see if maybe we can get a break of some other different structures like here or here. We're supporting some type of flag. So we need to see a break up or down. Maybe we'll be able to take action if price breaks down from here. But again, we still need referencing back to that 4 hour point, 40 minutes for this candlestick here. So as long as this candlestick doesn't deviate greater than half the percentage of that body, then it's a valid setup. So definitely putting a pin in this one, and we'll be watching it very closely in order to take action for today. I'm going to keep going back with this list though, because there were possibly some other opportunities. So we looked at Barrett Chain because it was already breaking up. Sui Chain looks like it's got a strong momentum. We can check that out. Toncoin maybe flagging out. I kind of want to just skip straight to ENA because it looks like it's about to smash a resistance wall. I want to look at ENA and Maker before those other two because they just kind of look better at hindsight. Maybe if we get to the actual candlesticks, that'll be a
Oh,
different
dude,
story, but
we
we'll
should
take a
probably
look.
get in our Doge play if we're gonna get into it. It just broke through the support, bro.
You can still trade Doge right now if you want to.
All right, I'm gonna
Go
open
for it.
the
Let's
log.
see. Is it breaking or what?
Yeah, it did.
Let me take a look at it. I don't even have Doge on this screen. Oh, I
It's
was
on
looking at Uni, but I didn't trade it. Let me go take a look
mine.
at Doge. Well, I gotta get it up if I'm gonna trade it too. You're giving me FUD, bro.
I opened up the long.
Or
We're in
FOMO, not FUD.
not FOMOing. Never FOMO. All right,
Sometimes if it's for the stream, you can FOMO. I'm just fucking.
your boy messed up.
What happened? Is it already
I
going
didn't.
around or what? It's already
No, I didn't.
dumping?
No, I didn't. Just because you said that. No, I didn't put
Oh,
100x leverage, so that must be a thing.
100x? Can you even do 100x on Doge?
Probably, I don't know. Oh, 75. I didn't do 75.
I was about to say.
He's like, I would have been doing it all
I'm gonna
this.
hit 50. 50
All
on
right,
it.
we're in this. We got faith in it. Just because it's a little red candlestick doesn't mean it's gonna. You know what I'm saying? Look, see, now it just opened above the red candle. See, we're in profits.
Oh, it's pumping. Should I have gotten in?
Yeah, well,
Ah,
we're doing the analysis. We're trying to get each
yeah.
other. We do the TA. I said if it broke above the trend line, the other candlestick that you said that there was a little resistance. I didn't get in, but the the second to the
I need to look
yeah,
at Doge on the larger time frame. Let me see.
yeah,
I
we're
have
in.
Doge on my other chart. Missing Doge. Please.
We're up 14%, chat.
Damn. Ape. And they rugged me, chat. Just playing.
I'll,
Oh, look, exit liquidity. I did it.
I'm still up. We're about to close it.
See, what I'm seeing here, though, is there's like a little bit of divergence. You know what I'm saying? Like, I see you break there on the 1 minute coming from this high and all that.
Yeah.
But I have another zone of resistance that spans pretty large. But first, look, just I got this divergence here. This is the first thing that's putting me off. Maybe it's going to be invalidated in just a few seconds if the RSI comes up higher. Maybe. But that's the first thing that set me off. Here we have a little bit of a bearish divergence too. So that's also kind of signaling a continuation. But price could still even come up to that 200 EMA and give us this bearish hidden divergence. Right now, it's here it could go higher though.
Yeah.
And then looking at the 15-minute time frame, we have a wedge structure here. Boom, here's our resistance, and that would put maybe price could pump up to that level, a little bit higher.
Yeah, we're in, chat.
All right, so we'll keep an eye on that divergence.
Next opportunity.
So, and here's the 1H. So 1H is even in a larger structure. We got that parallel downtrend channel, resistance area up here, support right here. And then this was a resistance area, flipped to support, broke through. So potentially serving as resistance again. 100 and 200 EMAs here.
XRP
just thinking out loud.
as well.
I need to check out XRP too.
About to break through.
All right, so we'll see what that looks like on the other time frame. Oh, that's far ahead. That's far
ahead. He's like, that's far ahead. Double click.
What?
If you double click the numbers, it centers it.
I know. I was looking for that yellow line though.
Oh, okay.
That's the 100 and 200 EMA value on the daily time frame. So
okay, all right.
How far away it was on others. I'm telling you, man. I think
this candlestick, if it pumps up after it hits the trend line, it's going to hit.
I say it's not even our versus round right now, but I kind of want to short this. It might have a little bit of room.
Don't you exit Also, chat, bonus round. If you guys want, I will pull up my Bolex and we will put 0.6 on any trade that you tell me to.
Let's go take a look at the chat. Is anyone in the chat yet? What the French toast? Where's the chat? All right, look. If someone says Crypto University is the bomb in the chat right now, I'll give them a free Web3 masterclass. First person to put Crypto University is the bomb. Prove to me that these aren't bots. Let me know that you have a heart and a soul and that you are here. First one to put Crypto University is the bomb gets a free mofo Web3 master course. All right. And then he who puts that or she who puts that has to pick a pair. Ha ha. Tricked you. No, you still get the course too. But come on, man. Let me know we ain't talking to zombies out here. All right, Ricky Spanish, how's your position going? We're recovering over there. I'm putting your screen up. Oh, you're taking a look at XRP already? Ricky. Did we lose your audio? Did you put something in the chat?
Well, I was going to, but nah. We closed our shit at I'm sorry, apologize for the language. We closed our stuff at 14%.
Nah, it's fine.
Profit.
Nice.
Had a little resistances, might break out. It might go
A
up more,
little
like
bit
you
of
said,
falling wedge here.
on your Doge. It might go up, but we're gonna take it.
I'll wait for a breakout of that falling wedge structure. Hopefully, it comes in our versus round.
All right, let's look at cake. Cake looks like it's on a down spiral. Lost its momentum.
What was
MACD
that
looks
other
like it's
thing I was
going
gonna look
down.
at though?
Looks like we're about to get a good short on cake, but we'll let this candlestick fluid. Do a little trend line. Boom.
Ah, I should have held that BTC open. It went straight to where I thought it was. Look,
What for the
that would have
long?
been perfect. Yeah.
I
Oh,
can't see.
that's kind of the way the cookie
I can't see
crumbles.
the screen.
Oh,
You have mine.
yeah, it went straight to where I thought it would. That's kind of the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, But I'd rather get stopped out for a profit than have it reverse back down
Absolutely,
towards below my
100%.
entry. So didn't
Nothing's
do anything majorly wrong, but definitely could have secured that move.
And now we're gonna short it, chat.
Perhaps.
We're gonna short it.
You want to send it? You want to say, Ev it, send it?
I'm sending it.
All right, let's send it.
Yeah, all I hear is you type so fast. You're like, open it.
You hear me typing?
I'm in.
All right, let's see what happens. Boom. All right, we're going to have to work on a counter for that, just in case.
Yeah.
So, looking on that XRP as well.
All right, chat. We're in at 87281.7. We needed to drop down.
87297.
Oh, you did 87297?
I just got it, and that's where I got filled at.
Mm-hmm. All right, let that little breakout. Boom. We'll take the. We're gonna. I don't care if it's 2%. We're taking the 2% chat. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
We're living on a prayer out here, so. And we just got sued.
Yeah. I always look at that ENA.
Yeah, I'm just trying to go check it out. I can't type though.
And there we go. That's what we want. We want the down pump.
Oh, look, I had something charted here.
Oh,
I wonder who
nice.
I looked at this for. Which one of y'all asked me to chart this?
Hey, we're in profits. Let's go, chat.
Nice. I'm selling.
Really?
No, I'm just playing. We got to be careful though on that one. Boo, hitting my TA real quick. All right, are you watching our BTC trade while I chart ENA for us? See, guys, this is what I'm talking about too. This is some fucking tag team trading right here. Like, have your boy watch your position while sitting. Imagine if there were like 6 of us, like in the Discord tomorrow. You know what I mean? Like, hey,
Oh no.
go look at this. Go look at this. Woo woo. What we should have taken that profit, shouldn't we? I knew it.
Should have taken that profits, but we're gonna hold it out. We're gonna hold the line.
Man, I was counting on you. Okay, guys, make sure you have reliable partners, though. I'm just playing. Definitely, it's all a learning process. We all have to.
Chad, let me tell you a quick
Oh, come on now. Some stories you can keep to
about a
yourself.
little coin called Elon.
Oh yeah, you
All
can tell
right.
the Elon story. That's a good one.
This guy had no faith. We tried to ape Trump coin when it came out, but we were just too late. Too late. See,
Chat,
that's
you
what
know
I'm
how
saying.
meme coins go, chat. You
Now
know
we're in
exactly
profit.
how
See
meme
this?
coins are. We're in profit. Oh, that's it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right,
See?
now I'm taking that ish.
Yeah, I just sold.
Oh.
I sold for 2%. I told you if we're taking 2%, don't increase your numbers. Get your range. You want your range? You say you want 5%? Take your 5%. Cry about
He's
the other
laying down the
40.
truth to you guys.
You
Always
cry about the other
stick
40
to
you
your
could have won
ranges.
and find another trade.
I don't know, man.
This guy.
All right, I'll give it like one more candlestick. Oh, that's it.
I told you, take your profits. We took our 2% chat. We're happy. All right, so
2.9.
there was this little coin called this little orange man called Donald.
Little orange man. All right, go ahead. I'll give you the story. Too.
All
I'll give you
right,
the screen while you tell the story.
He see if I can pull it up. I'm gonna pull Trump coin up.
I'm pretty sure I have a quick link to that.
Pull it up.
I'll Discord it to you. That way you can look
Trump
at it.
USDT.
No, I don't have it. Oh, you're gonna show it on TradingView? I thought we were gonna hit the deck screener, but yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I can show it up on here. It's the same information.
Yeah, it just doesn't have the complete candlestick history, but sure, no problem.
All right, we're gonna go to the daily. All right, we were here. All right, chat. We were here. All right, we were too late. It reached here. My buddy's like, "There's no other coin that's gonna reach that." I'm like, "Hey man, this Elon coin is trying to copy the Trump coin." He's like, "Bro, it's just a meme coin. It's some guy in their basement at their mom's house."
And that wasn't incorrect, but I mean,
it wasn't incorrect because it was okay, but he had a little more faith. So the $27 I had left in Soul. All right, the $27 I had left, I split it up. I put half on Trump, hoping to make it big, and I put half on this Elon. I put $12.67. This man, for the next 4 hours, told me to sell. Sell it. It's dropping. Sell it. I'm like, let it ride. I went to bed.
Bro went to sleep. He went to sleep on a fucking meme coin play. Unbelievable, right?
I went to sleep on a meme coin play. Woke up at 11:30. I don't know what made me woke up, but it was the grace of God that woke me up. Because when I tell you, I checked my Sanji bot, and I was up $1,200. $1,200. I had to do one of those. Huh? All right. Immediately sold it. Put another trade in when Solana was at $287. Put a whole entire soul back into Elon. Immediately filled 100% profit.
Back into
Cashed
this
out for
right
18.
here. This is Elon.
That was Elon?
This is Elon right here. I got it up for you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
This is the 1 hour chart. It's dead now.
Yeah, obviously.
But look at that. That's what I'm saying. This dude was lucky enough to get in and out on this part over here.
Literally right here. Like at the beginning when it first came out.
I think you got muted, bro. Put you back up.
Hello? Technical foul. Hello?
We lost Ricky.
Hello? No.
Maybe I can't hear him. Uh-oh.
SpaghettiOs.
Yeah, that was me.
Hello?
All right, we're back.
I was very fortunate enough to get out.
Yeah, that was a sick move, bro. Where's that screenshot at?
You want me to pull it up?
Yes.
I gotta find it. It's in Discord. All right. If you guys aren't a fan of the Crypto University Discord, you should become a fan because it is a great group of people.
Yeah, bro. Gotta get over there. Make it active and shit. Say what's up. Tell me what you ate for breakfast. I ate Bitcoin for breakfast. Yeah, we got your screen up. Here, let me make it more viewable. I think. No, not that one. Oh, that was pretty cool. What do you think about that one, chat?
I didn't see that. Oh, it's not showing my. Hold on. Let me reshare my screen, chat. I don't know how to do that. Share screen.
It should be down there at the bottom. Replace screen sharing. That should work. All right, let's take a look at the chat. Anyone leave us any comments yet? Hey, Ricky Spanish, Crypto University is the bomb. Man, how you gonna let this guy who's in the stream with me beat you to the comment section?
Late too.
All right, guys. The next person that types that, Ricky doesn't count.
I'm trying to pull
the
it
next
up.
person type Crypto University is the bomb. We have a free Web3 master course on for this. Come on, guys. All right. Anyway, I am still on ENA. I'm going to drop into now the 4H, I guess. Oh,
Hold
look,
on.
actually, looks like there's a little bit of divergence
There we
here.
go. We're gonna stop sharing. Go to screen share.
I already forgot what you were trying to share at this point.
This.
All right, you got it? Let me see. Oh, yeah, nice. I thought maybe you just had it on your phone, silly. You just put it up to the camera, but whatever. Yeah, that's cool.
I
That's
don't have
that's
it.
an insane percentage. That's really insane. Like you got to think about that. That could have been Bugatti Veyron money with even just like 10K.
Dude, that would have that if I had $100, I would have made
Yeah, you just
10,000.
can't be risking fucking 10K per every hand. You know what I mean?
No,
$100 per
I
hand because all
usually
those
when
fees
I eh,
shit.
after this unspeakable profits, unspeakable opportunity, I trade with $1 at a time, maybe 50 cents at a time.
For
I
meme
have
coin plays, right?
yes for meme coins. For meme coins, you have to. That same 1,800 that I made off these two trades for Elon, I treat it as the same as I would make 50 to $100 on BTC. It's all profits. I keep the profits. Try to minimize your loss. That's all I got to say.
Right.
Minimize.
Minimizing loss is definitely the key strategy. That's what I tell people all the time too. A lot of people are like always trying to, make them home run plays. And I'm like, hey man, you can make them at times, but like how many times are you going to strike out trying to hit that, trying to nail that? And it's like that striking out costs money around here. You know what I mean? So you can't just be distributing it to the market so openly.
So I kind of treat the market the way I treat my players at the casino I work at. You're up,
And
get out. Because
that's a good way to put it.
the longer you stay, the more you put back. And that's a fact. Because your TA might be perfect, but and you start looking at the shorter time frames, it might say something different. You want to get out because you know it's going to drop back down, but eventually reach your goal in the long run. But you don't want to hold it when it drops all the way down. So you get in there, you get that little pump up, boom, make the profits, let it go down, buy in again, and watch it pump back up.
Right. That's what I'm saying. The essence of trading, bro. Because like some people will
Or
just buy something and hold on to it for an undetermined amount of time and like watch a price fluctuate like up and down, up and down, up and down. Like there was multiple opportunities to get in and out of a
but
certain situation and people just held on to it, unnecessarily.
I treat the trading chart like a baccarat table. It's either banker or player, right? Sometimes you get crazy runs for the player. Sometimes you get the banker. But if you're on the opposite end constantly, you are just giving money away. That's why it's good to do TA, read your charts, go from the daily all the way down to the 1 second if you got it.
We might be getting a flag formation here on ENA, but looks like it's about time for our versus round. So let's see if anyone put anything for us in the chat. Do we have anything for us in the chat? How do I get to the damn chat? Oh, there we go. Hey, it's my mom. Hey guys, that's my mom. She says, I'm watching, baby. I love you very much, Mama Bear. Love you too, Jeremy. Oh, how sweet. Shout out to my mom, Vicky Gonzalez, for coming through the stream. We appreciate you, Mama Bear. Love you. You didn't win the
I
course,
miss
though. You
you.
didn't type the sentence the way that we said, so. But thanks, Mama Bear, for being there. All right, time for our versus round.
All right, what are we doing?
We're gonna try and kill each other in Dogecoin. One of us, all right, guys. One of us has to go long. One of us has to go short. Decided by a coin. Since there's no chat there, let's see. Where's my coin at? All right, boom. Got this nice coin right here. Super fat coin. What do you want, Ricky? Heads or tails?
Heads.
All right, Ricky calls heads, and it is. I dropped it on the floor. I can't pull my camera to show you, but it is. I swear to God, it's tails. You want me to do it again on the screen because I dropped it?
Please.
All right, fine. All right, we're going again. Ricky got heads. Caught it. And it's heads, chat. You got it right this time. I dropped it on the floor first time, so we'll
Well,
honor the retoss.
oh my god, we should have
So
logged.
what you get to pick? What do you want to do? Long or short?
Well, with this, I'm logging. I'm aping.
You're longing? No, I have to go short. Ah.
I'm aping.
All right, I'm gonna wait. I don't have to go short right now, but I do have to go short. That sucks because looks like things are going up. But I'm gonna wait.
All right, we're gonna get in chat.
All right,
We're
so
in.
you're getting it now. Ricky says he's getting it now on the versus round. Versus round. See, we need a cool Jamie to be back here and then have put like something that flashes on the screen. Versus round. And then it's like, and we're like head to
Beat
head.
your mom. No, I'm kidding.
Hey, she's in the chat. You better watch your mouth.
I love her.
Yeah, shout out my mom. Here, let's take a look at Ricky's screen since he says he's going long. I want to go long, but I mean, I have to go short, so I'm gonna wait and see if I can get this in right.
All right, we're minus 4%. Looks like Dylan is in profits.
I haven't hit the short yet. I should hit the short or what? I should hit the short. Is it time to go?
Yeah.
Time to go short.
I'm minus 10%. I'm about to pull.
Damn, I guess I should have hit it. Well, I told you, man, it looked like there was some divergence coming, but I just don't trust that it's formed there yet. I think it can still pump up to the 200 EMA 5 minute.
All right, well, we hold it. We're down $2, Chet.
Man, you made me want to go in, man.
You should have been there.
I know.
I think it'll bump back up. I think this was just a little retaliation.
I don't really have a trigger can now. You know what I'm saying?
If it breaks below this, then I'm in trouble. But you know,
my 1 minute time frame isn't even ticking. What's going on around here? Where are the ticks?
That's what I'm saying. It's not
like nothing is happening now.
It's scary, isn't it? See, he hasn't even touched it yet.
It's like right when we need action to be taken. No action's happening. All right,
because
I'm seeing the screen.
We are in trouble. I'm in trouble.
Oh, yes. Look, see? Good thing I didn't go short yet.
You were supposed to.
It didn't mean right then and there. It just means for the round, I have to go short. You have to go long. We can pick literally any time to enter.
Right then and there. Right then and there.
What? Maybe I should have specified, but it only means during the round. Jesus Christ.
Well, no, I'm almost there.
For future clarification, it only means that's the direction you have to trade. It doesn't mean you have to go at that exact moment.
I got faith in it, man.
All right, we'll see. I think I'm going to go ahead and hit the short.
Well, if anybody... All right, we're going to close.
No, what?
We closed, chat.
I don't sound so down about it. You can still, make another long and come back from this.
That's what I'm saying. We're going to find the next opportunity, and we're going to come back from it.
There's still time, bro. There's still like 19 minutes left in this 1v1. We are 1v1ing crypto right now, chat.
All right. Chat, if you're in the chat, please, I will pull up my Telegram right now, and I will put my entire soul wallet on one coin, and we will ape.
Oh, no. I'm up 0.034%. But my stop right over the swing high here. Price goes back up.
I just don't like.
I don't like here is that this is like an uptrend. Now, stop loss is between the 200 EMA and the 150 EMA right there.
And it's
kind of a tough one. Yeah.
It's a tough fit. This is a little resistance. I'm going to get back in on my long.
It's a tough fit.
I just don't like
especially the fit. The fit is tough. I'm up 4%. Let's go. Already winning. Hopefully it doesn't reverse. If it reverses suddenly, that will suck. But come on, let's get that 926 cross. Come on, these bars are still getting down. The MACD and the histogram line or the MACD and the signal line are still above the histogram, so I don't like
Yeah,
that too much. But
I
you
love it.
know, there's
Oh,
room.
look, it reversed.
Oh
Look at that
no!
stick. It came back up.
Oh no! Oh no! Come on, Freedom Train. Oh, I know what to do.
No, magnets. Cheating. He's cheating, Chad.
I'm not cheating. This is a legit technique. If I could get the damn thing to rotate. All right, there we go.
He's cheating.
Come on. Ugh, ugh,
He's
ugh,
pulling it down.
ugh. All right, and I'm going to show you one that you haven't seen yet. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I need it. I need it. Here. It's a hammer.
Hammer and magnets. He's rotating it. Oh, Chad, this is so funny.
Come on, get down there. Come on,
Dude,
come
there's
on.
no price action movement.
Yeah, because there's no volume or liquidity.
We need people to buy dope.
Of course, when we're trying to do the stream during our most popular viewing hour, there's no volume or liquidity. God.
Yep.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. What's wrong? Is the angle not right? No. I'm gonna close. I got 9%. So far, I'm winning.
Just take it.
Nah, I kind of want to win harder.
See, he went +9. I went -9. I got liquidated.
He had the coin toss and everything. And he chose to fucking take the kickoff instead of defer to the second half. Always defer to the second half.
Never. This ain't the Patriots. Their dynasty's gone. All right, looks like we're gonna be getting back into a long.
Oh no, I'm on 2%. What should I do, chat? Oh god. Ah! I'm hammering. Why isn't it going down? These are little known secrets the industry doesn't want you to know. Probably why they're working so hard against me right now. Come on.
They're like,
yeah. Gumbo to Gumble's back on the air.
that's so funny.
I'm working right here, man. I'm working. See, I'm a construction worker. Whew. Sure, I'm getting tired of this. Do we got any jackhammer emojis? That'd be a little bit easier.
Probably.
Oh yeah, where's our soundboard, bro? You definitely should be hitting soundboard whenever we're winning trades and stuff.
No, that's not appropriate.
Not all the inappropriate stuff, but the air horn. Come on now. All right, Chad. It appears there's no jackhammer. I could put the anchor. All right, that's it.
I'll put some dynamite on my screen.
I'm gonna tie a rope to the anchor.
I put a dynamite. We're gonna blow this back up.
No, I got a rope tied to the anchor, bro. There's no shot. Yeah, and it's going straight down that anchor. Yeah, no shot, bro.
I got that.
All right, so I got the magnet coming, trying to pull price down. So that's one. That's one confirmation. Then I got the anchor tied to the rope, so that's 2 confirmations. And then I'm beating the shit out of it with the hammer, so that's 3 confirmations. This better go down. Oh, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Ping, 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 ping. That's the sound of my hammer hitting the nail. Ping, 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 ping.
Ah, my finger.
Come on, move. Get down there. Get down there. Get down there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, done beat. Hit TP1, hit TP1. Boom, 15%. I'm taking it. I win.
Yeah, he was. All right,
I'm gonna
Ted.
win that one.
I was minus
Oh,
9,
see that?
and
I
you were.
told you those. And when I put the anchor on, dude, it was all over for you. Gotta think outside the box, guys.
I just blew a hole wide open for it to drop. That's what my TNT did.
Now you're summoning. He's using his witchcraft to make sure that it goes deeper now and to hurt my feelings only.
Oh yeah, dude. The extra 40 you could have made, I could talk about that for weeks.
Yeah, you know what? You know what they say though. You gotta take what you can though. You gotta take what you can. Let me see. Let me see.
I still have faith it'll bump back up. Looking on the 5 minute, 1 minute.
Oh my God! You want to know something hilarious?
Oh no.
I didn't win.
Why?
I was shorting BTC. I didn't change the asset to Doge. Oh my God. Okay, guys, there's an important lesson as well. Make sure you check your assets because I could have went horribly wrong.
You could have been liquidated.
Now, look at that. BTC went down too, but I just got lucky. That's what happened. But my TA was right on Doge. I had the right
He
entry
was
point.
watching Doge.
I was watching Doge, but I was not paying attention and put that trade on BTC. All right, so looks like there's still time for you to win this. Right now, we got Ricky at a negative and me at a 0. I don't know if I'll be able to get another short in though. That was kind of the best entry. I think Ricky has the edge now.
I don't know. There's not a lot of price action, dude.
Yeah, I went to position history because I was going to get a screenshot, and it's BTC.
I don't know how we're gonna feel. Looks like we're getting the end of the short.
Hey man, you don't got to take position. I'll take a dub with 0%.
I need to take a counter position, so I need to get in there and get, my
Ooh,
9. I need my.
learn about revenge trading though. Isn't there a saying about revenge trading?
Bump it.
Sometimes traders look to take action to recover a loss, only to be met with another loss due to lack of planning.
No, I'm gonna. Even if it takes a couple days, I'm gonna just.
This dude taking a couple days now.
You know what I mean? I gotta recover that 9%.
Let's take a look at that there. Bing. This will save. Yeah, like this is the 13%. iPad can't really see it. This is 13% I just made on Doge. No! Or on BTC, but I thought it was Doge. It's going down. Damn, man. I could have had that too, dude. So that's 2 positions I already got speckled dorked out of today. No! BTC is going down too. Didn't I short that as well? Oh my God. Oh, that was the bigger short. Damn.
FOMO.
Should have my. No, guys, don't FOMO. Never FOMO. Remember, always TA. Never FOMO. It does suck though. I could have won the challenge with flying colors.
I think it's gonna go down.
Well, should have picked short.
Well, it's different. BTC, I can trade this shit any way I want.
Oh, you can trade BTC.
Yeah, I can't trade Doge in short, which I'm respecting it because you know how I wanted to get in that.
Look, you could have longed it. Look, it's pumping back up.
Doge.
Okay,
one little candlestick. Hey, one little candlestick. Bro.
Well, you see, I didn't see you with any magnet tools.
I tried.
Yeah, but you see, whenever what you did you messed up by giving me the short, because with the short I get the anchor and the hammer tools as well. You can't hammer up and you can't anchor up. Now what you could have done was put a balloon on it, but you didn't think hard enough. What are you doing? Are you FOMOing? He's too quiet over there. What is he doing? He's trying to recover. He's trying to be victorious.
I'm gonna wait until this candlestick closes above the previous, and then I'll get in. I should have got it. No, okay.
Look, it's going down. Yeah, dude.
That's why I
Man,
said I'm
set
gonna wait
aside
until
3
that
trades
candlestick.
today.
Oh God! Thank God I didn't put it in.
Oh, man, look at us. We still got the perfect fill. Look at that. Oh, man. See?
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Fuck! Ah!
Oh,
That'd have been perfect, dude. That would have been
this
perfect.
is why
See,
you
this is why I'm deadly. I'm deadly motherfucking crypto. Get your education from Crypto University. We got everything you could need. I'll teach you how to do this yourself. Damn, I should have. Well, first of all, I was in BTC. I should have stayed in that one too. But second of all, I should have paid attention to the position I was entering. And third of all, I should have stayed in this one. Damn. It's all good.
and
You know what?
that's why we don't enter until a candlestick closes, because it can reverse on you and you're fucked.
That
And if
is
I would have
correct.
entered at the top of this candle trying to FOMO, I would have been further negative. You guys understanding, chat? You getting it?
I hope
That's
so,
why
man.
you
We're trying
wait.
to provide some entertainment while also educating. It's a little difficult to be, entertaining in this financial field, but we're doing our best here to also provide you with something useful.
Yeah, dude. It just if this candlestick fills out and it's done, it's gonna continue to short. It's below the 50 on the 1 minute.
Honestly, Chad, I'm glad we got some trades in today because you never know how the market's going to turn out. Sometimes you could sit here, and stare at the chart, and there's just not really any opportunity. So glad you got to see something
on,
and a little bit about our thought
Hold on,
processes.
chat.
Well, what is Ricky trying to? He's going to recoup this, or what? He's going to try and come out from his minus 4%, trying to dub up. What?
We're gonna hold on.
We should have a crypto trading tournament made like an awesome belt. Oh, you want me to put your screen up?
Oh, not yet. Hold on. I'm busy.
Wow. Are you trying to long on that recovery or what?
No,
Damn.
we're past that.
See, even earlier in the chat, remember, guys, how I was talking about this bearish divergence, and then we had another bearish divergence. And I was like, well, chat, it could pull back. See, chat, who the knows more than Deadlycrypto, chat? That's me. I'm your mentor. Come on. I'll help you be a trader if you want it. You just got to pull
All
up.
right.
I have a live trading session tomorrow. You ready for your screen or what? Oh, this guy. All right, let's see. Ricky's going to blow his bag today.
We got 0.6886. All right. We're looking at these
half a soul.
It's a little over half a soul. All right.
Bro loaded up the burner to try and give y'all a last form of entertainment.
You can pick anything you want. You see it? You want it? Pump it. We'll be the exit liquidity. I don't care. I'm trying to clear this account. I've been trying to do it for months, but
all right, chat. You got 2 minutes, chat, to drop something that you want Ricky to DJ on. Otherwise, Ricky's just gonna throw a dart at the board.
yeah. This one looks pretty cool. It's got 230. All right, fuck it. We're aping.
Oh dang, Ricky's oh man, Ricky's gonna try it. Let's go, Ricky.
We're in.
You better take a profit. You better not let it go all the way to nothing. And it's gone. Just like that.
It's
This
gone.
this is why you don't fucking meme trade. Oh, it's negative. No. Ricky gets rugged in 15 seconds. Ricky, go.
It doesn't let me sell. Why won't it let me sell?
Because there's nobody to sell to. There's nothing to sell. Oh, they got him. Chat, you should have been faster. You could have helped him save his money.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So that's why we always look to do TA and not fucking look at him. Look, he's like, where'd it go?
Oh, it never bought it.
Oh, the task. That's why you couldn't sell. Okay, Ricky was blessed by fucking transaction error. All right, so take your lesson. Okay, let that be your lesson, bro. Let that be your.
Oh no, Elon AI.
No. Oh my god.
Why? Dude, I'm telling you.
Dude, we all just witnessed your emotions like completely loop around. And where'd it go? Why won't it sell? Like, oh, he never bought. Order completed. He bought. Oh my god, you better sell that shit. Oh, look at that. Did you sell it?
No, I'm going to in a second.
I'm making this full screen. I gotta see what's happening over here. Elon AI. So basically, this bro's magic trick or his condition is Elon. Must have Elon in the name.
And we sold for profit.
You better. Nice. Order completed. Whew. I was about to say. Better than
Look, I
getting
made
rogue on the first one. Jeez Louise. All
made some.
right. You almost blew the bag.
Oh, I should have ape it.
We did good. You did more than fine, brother.
But it has potential.
Yeah, it has potential, but I'm
I'm
glad you
buying
didn't
it.
blow the
No, I'm
bag.
just kidding.
All right.
uh,
Cool beans.
all
At
right.
least we got a couple successful trades in. Your boy Deadly got in. I got a short on B or no, I think I got a long on BTC and a short accidentally on BTC. I didn't mean to.
Oh, you did a thing?
What? No. I'm done. I'm just recapping the trades.
Hold on, we gotta see the market caps. Let's see where we're at. Oh, that Elon's gone. It got rugged. And, we got out, chat.
Perfect. That's
Another
exactly why you want to get in and out.
another Trump coin.
All right. Well, that's all the time we have for the show
All
today.
right.
Thanks for bringing our DJing play in. I know Ricky can DJ all day if he wanted to,
Every
but
day, all day.
that's going to be
Appreciate everyone
what we
coming
got for
in. Hopefully
today.
hopefully Deadly Crypto hits me up. We'll plan some future events, and if you guys really want to see the action, come to the Friday trading sessions. They're free. You don't have to be an alpha member. It's fun. It's great. We do whatever. We do technical analysis on regular coins, and we degen. We have a good time. It's not a serious thing. It's something that we look for opportunities. That is it. And we are always looking for opportunities every day. I should have aped that coin.
I'm telling you guys, Ricky, shout out Ricky Spanish for being here and for plugging the Crypto
And it got
University.
rugged. I didn't.
Seriously, the other one that you were about to jump into,
Trump one, yes.
that's the meme coin dangers, bro. The dangers of But hey, we'll be out here with Ricky. If you guys like that show a little bit more, let us know, man, in the chat section. That's really what enables us to grow and change and do different things. I know I've been out here giving us some different market updates. They're cool and all. I love providing you guys with different insights about the market. But if you want to see more of this, let us know either Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, comment section, the Discord. That's another great place to be. We'll be trading there tomorrow. We'll be doing the same thing we did today, except you'll be able to talk with us, chill with us, hang out with us live. All right, guys, we'll be here same time next week. We'll see you there. Toodaloo, everyone.
Remember, I'm the one and only Ricky.